wanted me to come out here and take a picture. They're going to be pouring cement up on the big rock where the waterfall goes. We haven't been taking pictures, but we're going to show you a little bit of this waterfall, and hopefully we can take some pictures and show you the waterfall when we're done. Well, there's a cement truck, and there's some of the workers. It's kind of noisy. I hope that I'm going to kind of just go around. They got the big pump in place, and right up there is, up on top is the pool, and that's where they're going to be pouring some cement. And this is the rock. I haven't done this for a while, so bear with me. There's the rock, and the bottom pool is just below. I guess you can't see it. That big truck's in the way. That's the pumper. Goes up this boom, and there it is. Well, I'll shut her down for a little bit until some action gets started. There's a friend of ours coming, John Muncie. That's our electrician. He and his wife live here in the building. He's a real good man. Couldn't have done without him. Well, they're working real hard here right in front of me, forming for some of the sidewalks. We're in the back part of the property. Looks totally different from the front. There's one of our Louisiana boys. That's Kyle Motes. He doesn't know I'm taking this picture. He's taking a picture. He's going to be going home here real soon. We got two boys from Louisiana. There's Mr. R. Heading up the hill. He doesn't know I'm taking a picture. He'll be tired tonight. I don't know how many times he's climbed that hill today. Oh, there comes somebody with a problem. Here we come back down. Guess I'll have to probably give him a back rub tonight before this is all over with. Oh, there's one of our plumbers. He doesn't have casts on his arms. He's got plumbing pipe. Yo! Yeah, he's going up there. See his pipe right there? We're hiding it. There's a crack. Not a crack, but a kind of a natural place where they're hiding the pipe. Turned out pretty good. It looks like something maybe's going to happen. I'm tired of just waiting out here. We're moving that boom around. I think they are now pouring cement. James wanted me to take these pictures, so that's why you're seeing them. It's very windy today. You're probably getting motion sickness watching this. Well, I think that's probably about all you need to see. There's all the equipment down below. Something else working right here in front of me. Oh, we got all...
is the waterfall that we finally completed at Wyndham Estates. Working very well, putting out about 400 gallons a minute, up to 500, kind of depending. A couple of things. We placed some rocks to the right of the bottom pool to collect the spray, which is working really nice. People here are really enjoying this marvelous feature. I'm going to zoom in on the bottom part of this waterfall, which actually there's several waterfalls, which the cascading water just develops so many different features. From the dining room, it just is just spectacular. We have the water that's coming down and cascading off of different ledges, not to mention the very top. I'm going to take this picture from another perspective so you can get a better idea how the water cascades off that face of that rock. This location, you can see the water, how it falls from the top rock, comes down on the second ledge, divides itself into approximately 3 falls, and then from there on develops different features. Actually, we found the wind really causes the water to splash around. This is the part of the fall I like right here. And this rock I put in there, you can see how important it was to help collect this water. Not to mention how nice that little sideway water that flows down and catches that diagonal rock adds to this waterfall. It really looks nice in the evening because John Muncie has placed lights, 2 floodlights on this waterfall, and it really is brought out during the nighttime. Well, that's one of the main features of Wyndham Estates, and everyone likes it. I certainly think that it's going to help market.